Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this LED handheld shower head. This comes with 3 different colors to display all the water temperatures. Alright, so right here we have our shower head. This one does have 3 changing color LED lights. So the green one is from 0 to 88 Fahrenheit. You've got the blue, which is 89 to 111 Fahrenheit. Then you have red from 112 to 122. So if it goes any hotter, it'll start flashing. So this one does come with a loofah sponge. You do get 6 filters. There's 5 filters that are loose, and you have 1 in the shower head. This way you'll have enough to last you 6 to 12 months. So right here is the shower head itself. It does come with the hose and the plumber's tape. So here are all the filters. You've got 5 right here, and then there's 1 in the shower head, like I said. So here is the hose that you will connect into your plumbing in your shower. This bottom part right here will connect to the shower head itself. And then you do get plumber's tape. So that's already included. You don't need to buy that separate. So this right here, you will just connect for the pipe that's coming out of your shower. And then you will connect the hose to the bottom, and then you'll put the shower head right here on the top. So to take these off, you just twist these. You might need some fingernails to do that. So this is filtered shower head. It features a triple filtration. 100% cotton filter effectively removes impurities from your hard water, and it will be better for you and your family. We have really hard water here in Arizona, so I was looking for something to filter out all that stuff that is in our water. This gives an advanced internal flow blocking technology. It has a rotary button to adjust the amount of water and 1 button pause switch. You can adjust the water output according to your needs to achieve the effective water serving. It has a 360 freeway rotating shower head that is up to 60 degrees up and down. It is adjustable head and more flexible to meet your shower needs. So like you can adjust not only just the shower head, but the part that plugs into your pipe is also adjustable. So to take this off, to change them, you just twist this part right here. So now this is where you'll connect your hose. And then to take this off, you will just twist it here at the very top. I just put that back on, and then you would connect your hose right in here. So it does have like a little mesh filter in there, so all big stuff like rocks or stuff does not get into your filter. So this has a 6 cotton filter, 1 in the shower head. It is 59.5-inch anti-explosion hose, universal standard bracket. It's got the tape, the shower, a loofah, and it is the universal G 1.5 thread, fits any standard shower pipes. So now if we're going to remove this filter, just twist this here to the side. You pop this one out. So the one that has the little dots at the top, that goes at the top. At the bottom it has like little feet. So if you just change it out, just make sure you put it in correctly. And it's got the little ports for the bottom part. You just push it right in there. And then when you're done changing it, you just twist it back on to the head. It's simple, it's easy. The great thing about this that I like, it is clear so you can see when this filter is needing to be changed. Where I had the other ones, you're not able to see it, so we can only go off of how it feels. So this is the rotating head. It rotates back and forth, side to side. And it's got a little fan in the back, which gives you the pressure of the water. It's got a nice little look to it, sleek. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect all this stuff. So then you have your button right here to turn it off. You also can change the flow of your water by turning it on the side. So once you have this connected to your pipe, you just set this right in there. The hose will actually go right there to hold it. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect this to the pipe so I can show you what it looks like and how great the flow of this shower is. It is super easy. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to take our hose. We want to connect it to the shower head itself. So this right here will be connecting to the pipe. And then this one right here will be connecting to the bottom of the shower head. Just twist this off. Connect it to the bottom. So the bottom of this shower head is plastic. So I do cautiously warn you that it is plastic. So we're just going to put the filter on. This just filters out big particles out of your shower head. Just going to go ahead and twist that on, just finger tight. You do not need any tools for this process. Okay, so this hose, when it's completely connected and it's turned on, it does stretch out, and when it's not, it unstretches. So this part right here will go into this bottom right here. You don't need plumber's tape at this end. Just finger tight that. If you see that it's leaking a little bit, you might want to just put a little wrench on there and tighten it just a little bit, but not too much, because you don't want to crack it. So just twist this right here, which I did not have to use anything. Finger tight was enough. Now this will connect to your pipe in your shower. So it's got a little filter in there, and then it does have the plumber's tape included. So that's where you'll want to put your plumber's tape, right at the pipe. So this is adjustable as well. You can see that it does move back and forth, side to side. So not only does a shower head move, but you also got this part right here that also moves. So now that we got this connected, you can see when it's full blast, the hose extends, and when it's not, it actually closed down. So this is retractable. So you don't got to worry about this bursting. I know over time it might need to be replaced, but so far this one right here can hold up to a lot of water. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to my shower, and then we're going to connect it after I put the plumber's tape on. Alright, so right here we do have the plumber's tape on. So now I'm going to connect the shower head to it, and then I'm going to turn it on so you guys can see how powerful this is, as well as how loud it can be. So we're going to go ahead and put it on now. So now that it is connected, we're going to turn it on so you guys can just see how powerful this is. So you can see just how powerful the stream is on this. Right now it is showing the green light because it is between 0 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. When you go from 86 to 111, it'll go to blue. And then from 111 on up, it actually goes to red. And then when it starts flashing red, that means it is over 126 Fahrenheit. You can see the fan on the back, which gives the power of this pressure of this water. I've seen a lot of them that says it does not have pressure. This one does have pressure. You can see the filter on the bottom, that it is filtering out the water. It's got a nice stream. You can change the flow just by this button right on the side. You go all the way up for low to all the way down to high. So you don't have to have it full blast. So right now I'm just testing the water, and it is a bit cold. So what I'm going to do is change the water to make it a little bit hotter so it can change the color. So right now it's turning blue. So that means the water is a little bit warmer. So now I'm going to turn it again, and then I'm going to make sure that it is a lot hotter this time. So when it gets hotter, it'll turn red. So anything over 112 all the way up and on, the red will start to flash. Basically, it's just giving you a warning that the water is super hot. So now right here on this side, you can change the stream. You can go low or high. So this fan right here gives the excess pressure. And then if you flip this and push it in, it will turn it off. So right now we're just adjusting the flow. And then you push that in, it turns it off. So now I'm going to show you this in the dark bathroom so you can see the different lights. If you're looking for a nice powerful shower head that gives a lot of flow, I would highly recommend checking this one out. It also looks super cool at night. It does got a lot of power to this, and it is a great filter system.